Change. They're not letting him throw it. Yeah.
Third Friday of the month.
Nice pitch.
Okay, that was a strikeout. That's what the kid does. That's a little more like Drake.
Starting left fielder, number 23, Nick Ruiz.
He mixed it up that time.
Yeah, he did. He changed speeds on that, I think. I'm gonna try to get it fixed up here.
Last game I value added lasted forever. Now it's almost dead. Cold charging. Cold weather. It's cold, man.
Bring it down, boy. Stride all the way there, kid. Looking good. Here we go. Mix it up, Jordan. Mix it up, kid. Mix it up.